Hello yogis, namaste, Melissa here from Mystical Stone. Welcome to your day 17 of our 30-day journey. Today's practice is about honoring the moon energy within. So we're going to be working with Svadhisthana chakra, which is the second chakra, also known as the root chakra. This is your source of creativity. Here is where we work through old trauma and things that we stored over the years and then we have been carrying for way too long, and now we're ready just to release. When we connect with the Svadhisthana chakra, we're also connecting with our female energy and with the inner voice, since this chakra is connected to the subconscious mind. It also helps us to just come to our own, to ourselves, and just to honor who we are today. It's been quite the year for everybody, and it is important to honor all the lessons. And sometimes it is hard when we're experiencing hardship, but this is the best time just to let go of all that before the year begins. Remember that while you do this series, you might get some sparks of inspiration since you are working through your source of inspiration. Just pay attention to that, because this might be information that can serve you for the following year. So I hope you enjoyed. Remember just to do what feels right, and what doesn't feel right, just skip it, and let us begin standing facing the long end of the mat. Now from the long end of the mat, you're going to bring your feet wide apart and then take a step towards your left. Find Tadasana, so about a fist distance between your toes. Activate your feet, lift your toes, tuck your tailbone slightly, throw your navel in, release your hands down, and breathe. Bring your hands together at the center of the heart and open your eyes. And as you inhale, reach your arms up, gentle back bend if your back is okay with that. And imagine like if you were holding the full moon between the hands. You want to go into Hakini Mudra, fingertips touch. As you exhale, hands together by the heart, bend your knees and fold. Bend your knees more. Inhale, come up. Reach. And exhale, hands to heart. We'll do it again. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands by the heart. Bend your knees, hinge from your hips, fold. Bend your knees more. Inhale, come up. And exhale, hands to heart. Last one. Inhale, Hakini. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bend your knees, come up. And exhale, hands to heart. Next time you inhale, step to the right with your right foot. Toes point to the right, and bring your hands out to the sides at a T position. As you exhale, go into your Trikonasana, hips to the left, shoulders to the right, and hinge down. Breathe here, activate your feet. Next time you inhale, come up onto a T position. As you exhale, back foot flips towards the front or towards your right, and bring your hands into Hakini Mudra. Reach up, breathe. Breathe here. Draw your navel in and press your back heel back. Both feet are active. Next time you inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands down to downward facing dog. Breathe. Next time we inhale, right foot to the front. And as you exhale, come up into Hakini Mudra. Inhale, open to the front, toes out. And exhale, Goddess pose. Breathe here. Bend the elbows as you inhale. Palms face up into Gyan Mudra. As you exhale, sink a little deeper. Next time we inhale, extend Hakini Mudra. And as you exhale, we're going to bring the toes to the front and step to the left side, right side of the mat. Palms face forward, breathe. Bring your hands together in Namaste, reach up Hakini Mudra. Exhale, bend the knees and fold. Inhale, bend your knees more, come up. Circle your arms, Hakini. Exhale, hands to heart. Again, inhale. Fall as you exhale. Inhale, come up. Hands to the heart. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come up. And exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, left foot to the left. Open your arms. Exhale, Trikonasana to the left. Breathe. Inhale, come up to a T. And exhale, going onto your lunge pose to the left. Hakini Mudra, inhale. Shoulders down as you exhale. Back leg presses back. Both feet are active, shoulders are down. Inhale, reach up. Downward facing dog as we exhale. Breathe. Next time we inhale, left foot to the front. Exhale, come up onto your goddess pose. Inhale, bend your knees. Your arms, your elbows, and exhale, sink a little deeper. Feet are active. Inhale, extend. And exhale, toes forward and step once again to the left. Shoulders back and down, palms face forward. Breathe. Open your eyes, hands to the heart. Inhale, Hakini. Exhale, fall. Inhale, Hakini. And exhale, down. Inhale, Trikonasana, triangle pose. Right toes to the right. Exhale, hinge to the side and lower. Inhale, come up. Exhale, circle your arm, reach up. Breathe. Inhale, maybe back bend. Downward dog as you exhale. Breathe. Inhale, right foot to the front. Exhale, come up onto your goddess pose. Adjust your feet. Bend the elbows, inhale, and sink a little lower as you exhale. Inhale, extend, Hakini. Exhale, toes forward and step to the left. Right. And breathe. And hands together. Inhale, Hakini. Exhale, fall. Inhale, Hakini. Exhale, down. Inhale, step left. Exhale, Trikonasana. Inhale, up. Exhale, move to the lunge on the left. Inhale, up, maybe back bend. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. Inhale with left. Exhale, goddess pose. Inhale, bend the elbows. And exhale, go a little lower. Inhale, come up. And exhale, release. Toes point forward, hinge from your hips, and lower. Hands down and breathe. Next time we inhale, hands to the thighs, come up. And exhale, shoulders back and down. We're gonna go down onto the floor. Seated position, no fancy way. Hands together at the center of the heart. Observe your breath. We're gonna seal our practice with our metta mantra. You're welcome to stay on a seated position. You're welcome to go and lay down on your Shavasana, your choice. And once you find your comfortable position, you may repeat in your mind, may I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I live in peace. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you live in peace. May all be happy, may all be healthy, may all be safe, may all live in peace. Inhale through your nostrils, expand, and exhale. Inhale to Om. Om. You are welcome to stay on your seated position and meditate for as long as you want. You can also lay down on your Shavasana and relax there if you choose. Otherwise, tuck your chin onto your chest, open your eyes, and shower yourself with your own good vibes all around you. All those lunar vibes, and then shake off whatever it is that you don't need anymore. Thank you so much, yogis. Have a wonderful day. Namaste. If you are ready to get serious about your yoga practice, remember to check out my online yoga studio, link in the description. Also, press the like button before you go, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell button so you can get notifications whenever I upload new content. Thank you so much for being part of this mystical community. Namaste.